My name's Catherine Hurrell and I'm doing a lesson on straight line graphs. This lesson's going to be with Year 9, a low group, so CD borderline when they get to GCSE, and we're looking at it by doing some practical applications. So on the floor I've marked out a grid, I've got my XY axes, and we're going to do some practical work to try and get the idea of the gradient and the y-intercept. We'll start with a nice one, and then we'll get a bit trickier. So, can I have 4 volunteers to try and find a pair of coordinates that will work? Okay, Jordan, Laura, Summer, and Josh. So, people on the side, just take a look at where they're going to end up standing. Josh, can you read it out loud?
X and Y add up to 5.
Okay, brilliant. So the rule is X and... I then got the students to try and find some coordinates that would fit the rule and to practically stand in the position so that they could physically see what's going on and what happens when you get lots of points that all fit the same rule and that it does end up in a straight line. Jordan, what point are you standing on?
4-1.
Very good, you're standing on 4-1. Summer, what point are you standing on?
2-3.
2-3, thank you. Josh, what point are you standing on?
1-4.
1-4. Laura, where are you?
0-5.
Very good. So, 0-5. What do you notice about the points that we've found?
They're in a line.
Brilliant, well done. We've got a diagonal line going on here, okay? So we've found a diagonal line. Is there anything you can tell me about this diagonal line? Josh?
It goes up in 1.
It goes up in ones.
Jordan's 1.
Yep.
Summer's 2. Josh is 3, and I'm 5. Up.
Yep, so each point, the numbers are going up 1 in the coordinates. Yeah, brilliant, well done. So this one, it's a diagonal line, and it changes by 1 each time we move. The reason I've done it this way is it's novel, it's a different way of approaching it with the students. They tend to be able to see it in a visible way, so it gives those visual learners a good kind of clutch to hold on to, and later on they can then refer back to it and go, oh yeah, I remember that lesson where we were all pretending to be in a straight line. Obviously there are challenges, the behaviour management of the class is going to be an issue because it's not a normal setup, but once you've got them involved and up and going, then I think the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. So our rule for this one is y equals 2x minus 2. Megan, what are your coordinates?
4 and 6.
4, 6 is the next set of coordinates. Rob, where are you?
5, 8.
5, 8. The next set, brilliant. And Tom, where should you be?
6, 10.
6, 10. Now, if you look at this diagonal line, do you notice anything about kind of how much you have to go up each time to get there?
They go up in 2s, don't they?
They do go up in 2s. Brilliant, well done. Yeah, if you look, every time we go up 1 in the x, we go up 2 again in the y. Do we notice anything about those rules? Summer?
On those last 2 ones, it always was 2x, so it's 2 times something, because on the first one we did, the diagonal was going down, but on the last 2 they're going up because they're timesing.
Brilliant, well done. If you look, as Summer said, these two both have 2 x's in, okay? What do you think would happen if we had a rule that was y equals 3x add 2? Summer?
Then they would go up even further because times by 3.
Excellent, well done. So if we had a rule which was y equals 3x, add 2, it would go up in 3s because it's multiplying by 3, as Summer said. Brilliant, well done. By doing this, the idea of the gradient was starting to come out, seeing that the steepness had changed depending on how many x's you had in your rule. So we got that 2x meant you went up 2 each time, and Summer managed to work out that 3x was going to mean it tripled, so it went up 3 each time. And now I'm getting them to have a go at trying one of the rules themselves, and I'm going to see if they can find out the same thing with the gradient. Hopefully they'll spot that. If we manage to get the intercept as well, that'll be brilliant, but I'm not sure we will this lesson.